Before I attempt to respond to these inquiries, I should state that penis size is one of the best fearlessness fights that men manage. Another significant actuality is that lone 10% of all men are content with their penis length or their sexual presentation. Do you have a place with the 90% that are despondent? A ton of inquiries is posed regularly by the male populace. Is my penis sufficiently long? What is the normal penis size? Roughly 75% of the male populace has a penis that is 6 inches or more prominent. What does my accomplice think about it? Will I have the option to give more fulfillment to my cooperation with a bigger penis? Penis size can have both a physical and mental impact on the underlying level of sexual fervor for certain ladies. What's more, you should. On the off chance that you have a place with the other 25%, would you be able to manage it? If not, there are penis amplification items and projects explicitly created to expand your penis size. These items were created for individuals with immature penises, yet those who have a bigger than the normal penis, who simply need more. The existent strategies are: 1. Penis jelging. Basically, jelging includes draining or extending practices including the penis, with a definitive objective of expanding the length of your penis. Jelging has been found to make them upset impacts when rehashed for a while. 2. Penis enlargement pumps and electric pumps. With the siphons, you can make up to 2 inches gain, however this addition isn't perpetual and just goes on for roughly 60 minutes. It is anything but a successful strategy if you want perpetual penis development. 3. Penis enlargement surgery. Although there have been extraordinary upgrades in phalloplasty, likewise called restorative penile improvement or increase a medical procedure, the outcomes stay unusual and there are some critical dangers included. 4. Penile weights. This technique works by balancing little loads off the finish of your penis to extend the penis and all the while, make it longer. This strategy for penis amplification has been around for quite a while and has worked at times, however, accompanies a few likely dangers. 5. Penis enlargement pills. They are 100% common pills, being mixed with a blend of the homegrown part that viably augments both penis length and penis bigness, just as upgrading sexual execution. Some of them are created in cutting-edge research centers and endorsed by the FDA. 6. Penis extenders. Though there are not many individuals utilizing this strategy in contrast with different kinds of penis broadening, it is demonstrating itself to be an exceptionally fruitful technique. The gadget is utilized anyplace somewhere in the range of 2 and 10 hours every day and makes your penis fabricate new tissue cells, bringing about a more drawn-out, thicker penis. 7. Penis enlargement patches. The transdermal fixings are in a split second ingested into the skin and the item doesn't have to go through your stomach-related framework, starting its turnout promptly for a quick and compelling sexual upgrade. A few specialists suggest the utilization of consolidated strategies to accomplish a superior and quicker outcome. Before you pick, it would be ideal if you check cautiously the focal points and weaknesses of every one of them.